Hey there guys, Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to the last day in my masculine card week. That doesn't mean that I won't be making any more masculine themed cards. That just means that that's the end of this little mini series. So today I'm using the Epic Celebrations, which is a celebration stamp set, which means you earn it with a $50 purchase. I'm using the 5 for All. I love this set and I completely forgot I have it. So I'm using this sentiment that says this card isn't for the greatest kid in the world, it's for the greatest kid in the universe. I'm going to be doing an inside card layer and I just realized I've already glued it inside, so this will be interesting. And then I'm using 2 patterns from the Bubble and Fizz. Now we've been talking about pattern paper the last couple of days, and I mentioned the third should be a neutral. So on this card, the gray is going to be my neutral, and I'm going to add these on just like that. So let's go ahead and stamp the inside since I forgot. I'm going to be using Lemon Lime Twist. I've already used this paper a couple of times using Bermuda Bay, so I thought we'd try this one. Just going to stamp it right in the middle. Yay, it worked. Hallelujah. It's probably a little crooked, but it's going to have to do. So that's what I get for adhering it, but for not remembering. So you could actually use this stripe paper, but since it says the greatest kid in the world and the universe, I kind of like the idea of using the stars, and then these bubbles remind me of planets. So there you go. And don't, oh my word, don't let this paper limit you to just kid type cards. This paper is absolutely so much fun, and it can be used for kids or for adults. So I don't think that was the right sheet. It wasn't, but you know what? We'll make it work. So these each measure 2.5 by 4. It's because 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. And I wanted there to be a 1/4 inch border in between. Make sure that's as straight as I can get it. And it looks like it is. So I have cut the largest oval using basic gray, and I have a basic gray card base, 4.25 by 11, scored at 5.5. This is going to go right in the center, and I went ahead and cut 2 ovals out of Whisper White because you guys know me. I will probably mess one up. I'm going to stamp the guitar also using Lemon Lime Twist. Now the whole guitar is not going to fit, and that's okay. I just want most of it. And I just realized if I go this way, it's going to be upside down, right? I'll just do it this way. Like, wait a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp this. I'm going to stamp off. Actually, I've already stamped it, so let's stamp it again. I'm like, wait a minute, that's way too dark. Oh, there we go, much better. So stamping off is the winner. I'm going to take my Memento Tuxedo Black. We could have also done this in basic gray or basic black archival. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let me hold it up so you guys can see that. Cool, right? Let's get this adhered. And there you can see where I was like, oh, that's a little dark. I'm going to pop this up with dimensionals. Pop this up. telling you, this pack of dimensionals is like super mega ultra strength dimensionals. We're gonna put that right there in the middle. So that's it for today's card. Quick, simple, easy. Let me bring in the others. So this was Monday's card, Tuesday's card, Tuesday's card. Then we have Wednesday's card, Thursday's card, and then Friday's card. So again, any one of these designs, well, except for the kid, unless you were making it for your own son, would be great as either for a teenager or for an adult male. So yeah. And again, don't forget, no rules when it comes to crafting, and then pick your patterns, etc. So I hope you enjoyed this week. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what was your favorite card this week. Did you pick up any hints or tips? And yeah, I'll see you next week for another series of cards. Bye for now, guys.